guys, a hearty welcome to my YouTube channel, Daily Talk. Today we are going to see a product review. We are going to see a product review of a game for kids. Actually, we are going to see a review of a super game for kids. Word perfect. So, we are going to see the product review of this game. So this game improves our IQ, it makes our brain sharper and clever. So we are going to see the review of it and we are going to see the tips how to use it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Playing this game regularly makes our brain sharper, it improves our IQ level, and when we play this game regularly, so we are going to find many words in a short span of time. So, I'm opening this game. Ooh, abracadabra. So, this is the game. I'll actually say how to play this game. We have cubes of alphabets. Likewise, in one row, there are alphabets printed. And see, here, and here. So actually in all sides, the alphabets are printed in all the sides. Now I'm opening this. Actually I forgot to bring my scissors. So I just asked my mom to bring her the scissors. So we're waiting for opening this. Now let's see what other things are there. Till the scissor comes. Oh, the scissors come so fast. So there are cubes of alphabets. Actually, it's a clock with sand. A sand clock. So here, I think it's for a minute. So these are the things which comes with the game. So a bowl, like a plate. It's like a plate to arrange all these cubes, and a sun clock. So we are gonna take all these. We'll keep all these inside this. So we have closed it. It's like a container. Hey! Super! No, I'm just going to try it again. It's interesting. So, we have a sand clock. And the next thing is, we need a paper and a pen for that. We need a paper and a pen for doing this activity. So actually, when you're ready, you should turn the sand clock, and then in this board we can see lots of cubes of alphabets. We should find words with all these letters, cubes. So whatever word we find, we should write over here. Till the sand clock ends. So I think we should start. I'm also going to try in this video. have written 8 words. So if you have a group of friends, we can try this game with them. So it's also a perfect game for a family to play. Now, I bought this from Amazon, so you can also buy this from Amazon. So I think I should close the video now. It's a fun challenge, so I'm going to give it 10 out of 10. So I'll meet you all tomorrow in a new video. Until then, tada bye bye, see you all. Bye bye, see you later. Bye. So here we have a manual. So with the help of this manual, we can see how to play this game. So I think I should close the video now. It's time for me to go play. So tada bye bye, see you all. Bye bye, see you later. Bye.